Unlimited fan, Big Dave coming back at you. Check out beautiful Greece. Look at this, man, I love it here. It's so gorgeous. Hey, real quick, I want to do a quick video. Stop expecting people to actually support you in what your dreams are. When you go tell them like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. Hey, I want you to forward these Facebook posts. I want you to do that. Can you help me out? Stop expecting them to. You know what? The Rock didn't have a lot of people in his corner. He failed a lot of times. Kevin Hart, one of the funniest comedians ever, he was told he wasn't funny. Your dream is yours. You can achieve it. You just have to go on and get it yourself, okay? Stop thinking that everyone else is gonna be there in your corner, because they're not in your corner all of the time. It's nice to have good people in your corner, but I'm telling you, you're gonna be discouraged if you think that they're gonna be in your corner. So, get some today, baby.